Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dawn. Today I'll have another episode of Kindle tips and tricks video, and I'll show you how or where to buy Kindle ebooks. So what happened if you're going to a Kindle e-reader on your phone, which I have it right here, or if you're even opening your Amazon app on your phone, and if you go to any specific book which you'd like to buy. So for example, I'm just going to click on a random book. For example, let's click on here, and then you're going to see that it's not letting you buy the book. So for example, let me just bring this little closer. So if you take a look at this book, and if you take a look here, then you can see that there is no message to buy the book, or there's no button to buy the book. And you can see here that why can't I buy the book. So what happens here that you're not able to buy any books on Kindle app or Amazon app. So you can buy your Kindle book mainly three different ways. One of them is going to be if you go to your phone's web browser. So for example, let's say if I open up a browser here, I have like Chrome or Edge, and if you just click on there, and if you go to Amazon from there, then you can buy your ebook. That's one way. And then the other way is that you can go to your Kindle directly, and for example, you can just search for the book, or if you just click on a random book right here, you can see that you're getting a message that want to buy this book for Canadian dollar 9.99. So you can buy this book on your Kindle devices. And the best way is to buy actually on a computer. And the reason being, if you're buying your book here, it's only black and white, and you cannot actually choose a nice book, because it's difficult to see all the books in color. So I prefer to have a book which is not like black and white. So for example, if you go through all the books we have here, then here you see that there's so many books, and if you're looking for what you want, it's kind of difficult to choose by looking at the cover because they're all black and white. So the best way to buy a Kindle book is going to be if you go to your computer and open up a browser, which is going to be amazon.com or amazon.ca, based on where you're logging in from. Then you have to log into your account. Then if you take a look on upper left corner on your Amazon website, which is right here, see there's all. And if you click here, then you can see that it shows all the products you can buy. And if you just kind of scroll down a little bit, shop by department, and then there's the books. So if you click on it, then here you can see that they're like regular books and ebooks, and they're like Kindle ebooks. So if you click on Kindle ebooks, then it's going to take you to the Kindle ebook section. And here you can see that there are lots of books divided by the categories or the niche. And then if you just click on any book, and here you can see that it's giving you the option to buy your Kindle book. So this is the best way to buy your Kindle book on a browser on your computer. You can use the browser on your phone too, but I think it's difficult because it's very small. So if you open up any type of browser and go to Amazon website on your computer or laptop, that's the best way to buy any Kindle ebook. For the next Kindle tips and tricks video, I'm going to put a link on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.